Get out your two little blackbirds, and we're going to go like this. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. And now we can try all different kinds of opposites, like we can do two little blackbirds sitting in the sky. One was low and one was high. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low, come back high. All right, another one we could do are two little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One was early and one was late. Fly away early, fly away late. Come back early. Has anyone seen late? He should be here by now. Come back late. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One is fast and one is slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting on the ice. One was mean. Can you give me your meanest face? Ooh, so mean. And one was nice. Give me your biggest smile. Fly away mean. Fly away nice. Come back mean. Come back nice. Good job. You guys are so nice. Two little blackbirds sitting on a car. One was near, put your bird really near to you, and one was far, put him really far away. Fly away near, fly away far, come back near, come back far. Now this is my favorite one, and a chance to be a little bit loud in the library. But I always say, let's use our indoor library voices and be indoor loud. Okay. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One was quiet, shh, and one was loud, ah! Fly away quiet, shh, fly away loud, ah! Come back quiet, shh, come back loud, ah!